Hello guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to restore WhatsApp messages on iPhone. So without further ado, let's start. Now go to your search engine and then search for how to restore WhatsApp messages on iPhone. And then scroll down and there you'll see WhatsApp, how to restore your chat history. Here, you can see the step-by-step process on how you can restore your chat history. And here's the one way to restore your chat history for an iCloud backup. So you can use your iCloud backup to restore your chat history. The step 1 is to verify that an iCloud backup exists. To do that, go to your WhatsApp and then go to Settings, tap on Chats, and then tap on Chat Backup. Step 2. If you can see when the last backup was performed, delete and reinstall WhatsApp. And then step number 3, after verifying your phone number, follow the prompts to restore your chat history. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope that this step-by-step process can help you out. And don't forget to like and subscribe.